Welcome back to Elimination Backyard 7. I had the camera, but it's not fully upgraded right. I'm gonna upgrade it right. Nah. Dirty racing. Not dirty racing. Oh. So you know if you go to your profile on here, that you can collect achievements. Yeah, I just figured it out a long time ago that I meant to tell you. Yeah, really dirty.
Someone checked you.
Yeah, they're dirty racing. I hate these things.
Oh, because the red ones slow you down.
Yeah, very. Bye-bye. And this is not, I realized that I upgraded my cars wrong, so I gotta go and upgrade every single one the right way. Yeah. Cause I was just putting random stuff on each one, not realizing there's some way you gotta upgrade them.
Nuts.
Yeah.
Oh, stay in the middle. Oh, it switches.
Yeah, it switches every time on you. Oh, which is crazy. They don't call me Tokyo Drift for nothing. I hate that one right there. Of course I go. Imagine doing it and not looking. Not one.